What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike Stallone, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to vent your tires properly. So I was on Arma RC forum, I've seen it on Traxxas forums. A lot of guys are asking, how do you properly vent your tires? And that's something that when I was new to the hobby, I really wanted to learn how to do. And there's been a couple of videos out there that kind of shows you, but none really recently. So I wanted to make a more recent one, really going through every step that I take in order to vent the tires properly. And I do this on all of my bashing rigs. So first thing that you're going to need is a 3/16 copper tube. You know, you can find this on all your hardware stores. It's really not that expensive, but 3/16. So once you have your copper tube, you're going to need a razor blade and a drill. So you take the copper tube, you put it in just like a drill bit, you tighten it down, just like that, and you take a razor blade and you go against the direction that it's spinning to sharpen up the copper tube. So go like that, and actually be like that, and you go pretty quickly, and that's gonna sharpen up the copper tube, so when you go through the rubber of the tire, it goes through much easier. It's not going to twist anything. So once you have the copper tube completely sharpened, you're going to want to get your tire and find a spot or a groove, find a spot in between the grooves. So this one is actually already done. I'm not going to be actually making another hole today, but if you could see right here, I put the hole. And then on the opposite side, I put another one. So I only put 2 in this tire. Some tires you could put 4. I like to put 2 because I think, you know, less is more. If you feel like you're still having an issue, don't be afraid to put in 2 more, but just make sure that you're putting them on opposite sides of the tire. So again, now you're gonna find out where you're gonna be putting the hole in, and like I said, it's gonna be in between the grooves. You're gonna make sure that the copper tube is flat right where you're gonna be drilling, and as you're drilling, do not push too hard. So this is a lesson that I learned right off the bat when I had my Traxxas Max. If you push too hard, it grabs the foam that's inside the tire and twists it up, and you don't want that. So you want to put a little bit of pressure, but not too much, and as soon as it goes through, let go of the throttle, let go of the trigger of the drill, and pull it out immediately. Then you're going to want to, I mean, some people don't do this, but I like to take the rubber out of here. You're gonna have rubber from when you drilled. So I like to take that out, go to the other side of the drill, repeat, do it again. And like I said, you could do that on all 4 sides. But remember that one tip. If you remember anything, when you're drilling through, do not push too hard. You do not want to mess up the foam inserts. It, you know, defeats pretty much the whole purpose of doing this. The last thing that you want to do, and you can do this before or after, I always do it after for whatever reason, is clean the inside of the rim. And there's going to be 2 vent holes in the plastic of the rim. And just to show you guys, you're going to take Gorilla Tape and you're going to cover the vent hole. So you don't want that anymore, because if water gets in here, centrifugal force is going to pull the water through that vent hole, fill up the tire, and it's just going to be pointless to have that, right? You don't want sand, you don't want water in there. That's the whole idea of doing this. So once you clean the rim, find out where those vent holes are in the rim, take the Gorilla Tape, cover it up so that nothing can get in on both sides. Once that's done, you're finished. You can put the wheel back on and you're ready to rip. So again, guys, let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.